December 24th, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, I got another video for you. And what are we going to talk about? Well, we're going to talk about making cheesy casserole here for Christmas. I'm going to do several videos here. And this will be the first one. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn your preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And this will take approximately around 40 minutes if you have like an electric oven. You might have to watch it if you're using a gas stove. Just check it every so often. We have Kobe cheese here, 8 ounces. We have 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. We have 1 can of whole kernel corn. I drained the liquid off it. I'm going to pour the sweet corn directly into the bowl. We're going to take 1 full stick of butter and we're going to melt that and pour that in there. We're going to have 1 egg and we're going to have half of this, which is 8 ounces of sour cream, guys. So hold on. Okay, guys. There's the cheesy corn casserole ready to be put in the oven, and we'll show part 2 in the finished product. Have a good one, guys.